Good day, folks. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install WhatsApp on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing we're going to go ahead and do is jump into a browser of our choice, and we're going to go into the search bar and type in WhatsApp. Now it should be within the first three search results. What you're looking for is download WhatsApp for iOS, Mac, and PC. And once you click on the link, it'll take you straight to the whatsapp.com page where you can go ahead and download it up on the right hand side. Now, once you click this, it's very easy to install. The install wizard will begin, and you will then have WhatsApp on your device. Now, what you'll then have to do is just type in your details, your phone number, and you will now sync your WhatsApp account with the same account that's on your mobile device. If this was helpful, please go ahead, drop us a like, share it with a friend, and we'll see you next time.